I'm back where I belong. Yeah, I never felt so strong. I'm back, baby. I'm feeling like there's nothing that I can't try. Nothing. And if you with me, put your hands high. Put your hands high.
You ever lost a life before?
Hey.
This
And
one's
if
for
you
you.
with me, put your hands
And you,
high.
the dreams fulfilled, you rockin' with the best. I'll be on
You,
you.
I hear the tears of a clown. I hate that song. I always feel like they talking to me when it comes on. Come on, another day, another dawn. Another Keisha, nice to meet you. Get the math, I'm gone. What am I supposed to do when the club lights come on? It's easy to be pumped, but it's harder to be shown. What if my twins ask why I ain't married their mom? Why? Damn, how do I respond? What if my son stares with a face like my own and says he wants to be like me when he's grown? Shit, but I ain't finished growing. Another night that never will go long. Another day, another dawn. Come on, just tell Keisha and Teresa I'll be better in the morning. Another life that I can carry on. I need to get back to the place I belong. Come on, I'm coming home. Check this out. A house is not a home, I hate this song. Is a house really a home when your loved ones is gone? And niggas got the nerve to blame you for it. And you know you would've took the bullet if you saw it. But you felt it and still feel it. And money can't make up for it or conceal it. What you deal with and you keep ballin'. That's why some liquor playboy and we keep ballin'. Baby, we've been living in sin, cause we've been really in love, but we've been living as friends. So you've been a guest in your own home. It's time to make your house your home. Pick up the phone, pick up the phone. I'm coming home. Tell the world that I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and they're forgiving my mistakes. I'm coming home. Coming home. Coming home. I'm almost home. Check this out. Yeah, ain't no stopping us now. I love that song. Whenever it comes on, it makes me feel strong. I thought I told y'all that we won't stop till we back cruising through Harlem. These old blocks is what made me, saved me, drove me crazy, drove me away, then embraced me, forgave me for all of my shortcomings. Welcome to my homecoming. Yeah, it's been a long time coming. A lot of fights, a lot of scars, a lot of bottles, a lot of cars, a lot of ups, a lot of downs. Made it back, lost my dog. I miss you, big. And here I stand, a better man. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.